There's a moment every spring, perhaps on the first warm afternoon you eat outside or the day you finally retired your heavy winter coat, when you realize your drink game needs a seasonal upgrade. While hot cocoa and spiced cider have served us well through the frost, the changing weather calls for something lighter, brighter, and a little more alive. In this video, we'll guide you through the ultimate spring beverage guide, covering everything from non-alcoholic refreshers and cocktails to warm sips and functional drinks that capture the essence of the season. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today, we're exploring how to transition your bar cart and kitchen for spring. This season is the perfect in-between time, and your drinks should reflect that balance. Let's get started. First, understanding the spring flavor profile. Winter drinks are often heavy with cream and deep spices, while summer drinks go full throttle on sugar and ice. Spring requires a different approach. Beverages that are lightly sweet rather than sugar-forward and lead with herb and floral notes. These delicate flavors wouldn't survive the summer heat, making now the perfect time to enjoy them. Second, embrace seasonal alignment. The best spring drinks are built around what is actually growing right now, such as strawberries, rhubarb, mint, and elderflower. Utilizing ingredients at their peak ripeness isn't just romantic, it's practical. When your fruit is fresh from the vine, you don't need to load your drinks with extra sugar because the natural flavors are already doing the heavy lifting. Third, crafting non-alcoholic refreshers. For a sophisticated mocktail, try a strawberry basil lemonade, where the peppery basil cuts through the sweetness of the fruit. If you prefer something crisp, a cucumber mint water, done right by infusing thin slices for 2 hours, offers a clean, chemical refreshment thanks to the cucumber's natural compounds. You can also explore hibiscus iced tea, which is naturally tart and cooling, or a matcha lemonade for a perfect balance of earthy bitterness and citrus acidity. Fourth, exploring botanical cocktails. When it comes to spirits, the French 75 is the reigning champion of spring, pairing botanical gin with celebratory bubbles. The Aperol Spritz is another classic that works, because its bitter orange and rhubarb notes function as digestive bitters, making it refreshing without being filling. For a floral twist, try a lavender gin and tonic or a batch of strawberry rosé frosé for your next patio gathering. Fifth, cozying up with warm spring sips. Spring mornings can still be chilly, but you can stay warm without the heaviness of a winter mocha. A honey lavender latte offers a floral sweetness that feels like a garden in a cup. Alternatively, a blend of chamomile and lemon verbena tea provides anti-inflammatory benefits that are particularly helpful during allergy season, while a rose milk tea provides a subtle, fragrant comfort. Sixth, incorporating functional beverages. If you're looking for health benefits, try a Switchel, a colonial-era sports drink made with apple cider vinegar, ginger, and maple syrup to provide natural electrolytes. Another great option is a turmeric and black pepper lemonade. The pepper is vital here because it increases the bioavailability of the turmeric's nutrients. For gut health, a kefir-based mango and mint smoothie offers a probiotic-rich way to start a spring day. Seventh, mastering the spring harvest. To get the most out of your ingredients, keep a quick reference of what's in season. April and May are the peak months for rhubarb and peas, while elderflower and lavender begin to shine towards June. Using these ingredients when they are truly in season ensures your drinks have a complexity that store-bought syrups simply cannot replicate. 8. Essential preparation techniques. Small changes in technique lead to big changes in flavor. For spring, use a 1-to-1 ratio for simple syrup to keep the sweetness light on the palate. When working with fresh herbs like mint or basil, remember to gently bruise them rather than muddling them into a paste. This releases the aromatic oils without making the drink bitter or turning the leaves brown. 9th, focusing on the details. The quality of your ice and citrus matters more than you might think. Use large ice cubes in your cocktails to ensure they stay cold without diluting rapidly in the afternoon sun. Most importantly, fresh citrus juice is non-negotiable. Bottled juices often have a metallic aftertaste that can ruin a delicate floral drink. 10th, experimenting with cold brewing. Instead of the traditional hot to cold method for iced tea, try cold brewing your blends for 8 to 12 hours. This process results in a much smoother, less bitter tea that highlights the nuances of green teas and herbal blends. It's a low-effort way to have a high-quality refresher ready in your fridge at all times. Finally, letting nature lead the way. Ultimately, spring drinking is about paying attention to the world around you. The most successful drinks are the ones made with mint cut this morning or strawberries that are finally ripe. Every gathering is an opportunity to celebrate these fleeting seasonal flavors before the heat of summer takes over. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.